Welcome back to Financial Fraud Consultant. In today's video, we're diving into the top 3 financial frauds that have recently made headlines. These cases not only highlight the cunning tactics of fraudsters, but also offer valuable lessons on how to safeguard your finances. Let's get started. First up, a surge in scams involving obscure Chinese stocks listed on U.S. exchanges like NASDAQ has duped thousands of American investors. Fraudsters use social media platforms and messaging apps to promote little-known companies such as Jiad Global Logistics and China Liberal Education Holdings. These scams typically followed a pump-and-dump pattern, where share prices were artificially inflated and then crashed, leaving investors with significant losses. The U.S. Justice Department has prioritized combating these schemes, but enforcement remains challenging due to limited access to evidence in China. To protect yourself, always conduct thorough research before investing. Be wary of unsolicited stock tips and consult with a licensed financial advisor. Next. Pranav Patel, a 33-year-old from Gujarat, India, was sentenced to over 6 years in a U.S. federal prison for his role in a $1.79 million fraud targeting elderly Americans. Operating from New Jersey, Patel was part of a scheme that used call centers to impersonate government officials, convincing victims they had legal issues and coercing them into handing over cash and valuables. One victim even sold his home due to the scam. To avoid falling victim to such scams, always verify the identity of the caller and consult with trusted individuals before taking any action. In Vietnam, the Vien EHPHT group, led by billionaire Trong My Lan, orchestrated a massive fraud involving the Saigon Joint Stock Commercial Bank. The scheme resulted in estimated damages of approximately $27 billion. Making it one of the largest economic scandals in Southeast Asia. Trong My Lan was sentenced to death, and numerous accomplices received lengthy prison sentences. This case underscores the importance of transparency and accountability in financial institutions. Investors should be cautious and conduct due diligence when dealing with large corporations, especially in emerging markets. These cases serve as stark reminders of the ever-evolving tactics used by fraudsters. To protect yourself, stay informed about common fraud schemes. Be skeptical of unsolicited offers or high-return promises. Verify the credentials of financial advisors and institutions and report any suspicious activities to the appropriate authorities. By staying vigilant and informed, you can safeguard your financial well-being. Thank you for listening. If you found this information helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Financial Fraud Consultant for more insights into protecting your finances. Stay safe and informed.